Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acerbic. 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 Acerbic is an adjective used to describe a style, tone, or manner that is sharp, bitter, or marked by a caustic and critical quality. It often conveys a form of wit or criticism that is direct and unsparing. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The art critic's acerbic review left no room for ambiguity. He didn't like the exhibit at all. Why acerbic is used in example number 1. Acerbic is used to describe the art critic's sharp and unsparing critique of the art exhibit. Example number 2. His acerbic sense of humor often leaves people wondering if he's serious or joking. Why acerbic is used in example number 2. Acerbic describes his humor as biting and often sarcastic, causing confusion. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.